Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Helpdesk plugin on a Windows operating system with Bitnami stack Redmine. So the very first thing that you have to do is to just download the very latest Helpdesk plugin version from your license manager. Please make a note that the CRM or contacts plugin is needed for the Helpdesk to be able to work. However, the light free version of the CRM plugin is enough for this purpose. You can download it anytime from our site redmineup.com when you go to plugins and then CRM plugin. Here you have to click on download and then download free. You have to enter your email address here and just don't forget to check the terms and conditions checkbox. Alright, so let's go back to our installation guide. So the very first thing that you have to do is to just open your Bitnami Redmine. So you have to go to your folder where it is installed. In my situation it is disk C, and then open the Redmine. In my case, it is the Redmine 5, the latest one for the current moment. Okay, so here you have to double click on the manager windows. Okay, and now on manage servers, you have to click on start all. It will start the web server as well as your database. Okay, now everything is running, so let's go and check. Okay, so yeah, Redmine needs a little bit more time just to start. So let's refresh our page. Okay, so our Redmine is now started. Okay, so when we go to the information sections of our Redmine, we see that we have already installed the contacts plugin. So now we are going to install our Helpdesk. Okay, the very first step that you have to do is to just go to your downloads folder and extract the plugin. Okay, this is our plugin. So now you have to copy it and then return back to your Redmine. Okay, so here now you have to open apps folder and then Redmine and then htdocs folder. Here you have to find the plugins folder and paste the plugin there. Alright, so the plugin is being copied now. Alright, so the next step is to go back to your core Redmine folder and then run this file, use Redmine. Okay, now here you have to navigate to your core, to your htdocs folder and click enter. Okay, so now please run bundle install. This command is going to install all your needed gems for the plugin to be able to work. Okay, so now we are done with this step, and the next one is the migration. You have to run it with bundle exec rake and then Redmine plugins and then Rails env production. Okay, so now we wait for our migration to start. We just wait a little bit. Okay, so our migration is now running. It is in progress. Okay, so our migration has just finished. And the very last step of our installation guide now is to just restart everything. So we return back to this window and click on Restart All. So the web server as well as the database are going to be restarted. So everything is going to take place. The changes that we have done are going to take place. Okay, so let's go back to our Redmine and just refresh the page. Okay, again, Redmine needs a little bit more time for starting. In our case, restarting. Okay, we refresh one more time. Yeah, now it is refreshed. So we see that our Helpdesk plugin has just arrived here. And we have done our job successfully. We have installed Helpdesk on a Windows operating system on Bitnami stock Redmine. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.